Alright, so today we get ready to grill again. I don't know exactly everything we're gonna do. I know we're gonna have some burgers. I know I'm gonna make a pot of greens, and I know my wife is gonna do her thing because she's the mac and cheese lady. But other than that, we'll figure it out. As far as the meat, they at the grocery store right now, getting it together. Whatever they bring, I'm about to heat this grill up, and then it's going on here. All right. So, to everybody that's been supporting my channel, I just want y'all to know I hit 100 subscribers. I had started this channel or created this channel in 2014. I had no clue what I was doing, and I was just uploading shorts and, you know, thought I was doing something and having fun. You know, there's nothing wrong with that, but I want y'all to know I hit 100 subscribers, actually hit 101, and thank you. You guys enjoy what I'm doing, because I sure am, and I appreciate all the love and support that I've been getting, and I'm gonna keep it coming. As long as I'm alive, I gotta eat, so we're gonna keep on doing it. I'm gonna keep on bringing you the content. That's a guaranteed fact. So much love to everybody that's been supporting the channel. We're gonna keep it rocking. Thank you. All right, so we got it fired up. I just want to point this out. I've been spraying my thing down, but I guess if you cook as much as I do, there's no way you can avoid this. I mean, I think this is proof that there's nothing you can do. It's just gonna happen. If you cook a lot, you use your stuff, this stuff's gonna happen. But I'm gonna get my money's worth regardless. So I'm not mad at that, but I caught myself doing some homework and finding out how that goes down. But it is what it is, you know. So whatever, we gotta keep on using it, and we gotta get a new one. We'll get a new one. I just gotta say, we really do have some amazing days around here, and I'm so excited. I can't wait for them to get back here with the meat and get this stuff going. It's gonna be a good evening because it's kind of late, so we're gonna eat kind of late, but it's gonna be all right. It's the weekend. It's all good. We're gonna slam tonight, and I'm all for that. Guess I should tell you though, the reason why I said I can't wait for them to get back here is because right now my wife, my daughter, and my granddaughter, they had went shopping, and not just for groceries, but they're bringing back the meat, they're bringing back the greens, and the stuff to make the mac and cheese. And I know I gotta preheat my grill anyway, so I'm getting that going. I just got done cleaning up a lot in the house, and now I'm just waiting on them so I can continue keeping it moving and making that great meal for this evening. All right, my family's back on the scene. I already got the greens started. I worked real fast. My wife's boiling those macaroni noodles, and she's gonna do her job. With some burgers, some beef, hot dogs, and we got some bacon wrapped jalapenos about to pop off in here too. And then the rest of them brat burgers is going down. I got me some chicken legs in here too, about to season them up. It's only 5, but you know, we just gonna have a little taste of everything today. All right, so what I did here was my charcoal, it's already blazing hot. My grill is hot, but see how I lace it around the edges? Because burgers will make your fire flame up and go nuts. And we don't want that. We want this stuff to chill. I got them jalapenos wrapped in bacon. and I got those chicken legs, and then back on the back side I got a couple of them brat burgers. That's what it is. And then I got some beef hot dogs that I will bring out in a minute. You know what I'm saying? But we gotta let this stuff cook and chill for a minute, and then we'll get back out here and do some more things. I'm helping my baby out. She said set it on 325. I put it on 320. And then she over here working. She got it going on. I gotta stay out of her way and let her do what she do. She make the best mac and cheese around here, so yeah, we chefing it up out here. That's what we do. Good eating. That's how it goes down. So I'm about to flip everything in here and then get back at you in a minute. Got all the burgers flipped and the rock burgers flipped. We're gonna do these jalapenos and just roll them over like a little baby. Just roll it over. Make sure that baby's comfortable. That's how we gonna treat them. And then, same thing with these chicken legs. Roll them over. We're good. Everybody comfortable in here. So close the lid. We're good to go. Jalapenos off the grill. Burgers off the grill. Rock burgers off the grill. We got some chicken legs out there still that we gotta go smash up in a minute. But everything is coming together sweet. Brains looking amazing. So every now and then, if you don't want to just use up all your charcoal, you might want to leave the lid open a little bit sometimes. And let that wind get up in there and kick these flames back up. Get everything cooking. But here's the beef dogs and the chicken legs. It's fried 5 chicken legs. I'm not even gonna sauce them up. It's just gonna be straight grilled chicken, and that's what we doing. And it will be good. You just grab one of them, get your burger, make a burger, grab your hot dog. That's what we doing today. My plate is going nuts. My wife just made this for me and brought it in here. It's amazing. We're about to slam hardcore. Thank you for watching. This is what it is. Now I'm about to dig in.